Hello and welcome back for another GRT price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the GRT chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, GRT is trying to break through a key area of resistance at around the $0.1145 mark, which is an area of resistance that has now given us a rejection for 3 times, where you can see that we have seen these 3 attempts right here, and each of these attempts has not been a success. And there are chances that in case this time we are able to manage to break above this key area of resistance and get a success if we retest, then we can continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. But in case that doesn't play out and we continue seeing another rejection over here, there are chances that GRT is now going to give us a bit of a breakdown to the lower side. And as a result of these 3 tops that we have right here, this has now led to the formation of a triple top, where we can have that as the first top, then the neckline, the second top, the neckline. And in case we get rejected once more over here, there are chances that we are going to see this massive breakdown to the lower side out of this chart pattern to the lower side, having the minimum target areas for the breakout being given by the height between the tops and the neckline. And we can get that height and then place it below the neckline, giving me a minimum target area at around the $0.0994 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect GRT to do in case the breakout plays out to the lower side. That is the first chart pattern that I wanted to discuss with you here on the GRT chart. And jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, where GRT now seems to be obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June, in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.0883 mark, we started this nice recovery to the upside, where we can term this as a first wave to the upside, then a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, then whatever we have over here is the formation of that wave 3. Then soon we can expect a bit of a breakdown in the formation of that wave 4 before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. And getting to see whether the third wave has fully maximized its minimum target areas by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a minimum target area for that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.1166 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upside to do, which is an area that we are yet to fully maximize. Though there are chances that we might not see that one more leg up in the formation of that wave 3, fully maximizing our target area. And there are chances that the high for that wave 3 is now in. And in case our double, that is our triple top that I've shown you on the 1-hour time frame, plays out, then we can expect a bit of a breakdown in the formation of this wave 4 before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upside, completing an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side here on the charts. Then once that larger Elliot wave count 1 is complete, afterwards we can expect an ABC corrective structure to play out, which should be aligning with what I'm expecting on the long-term point of view. And zooming out to give you my long-term point of view here on the GRT chart, I've been saying to you that after seeing our December lows, we saw that massive bounce to the upside, giving us a high at around the $0.2325 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, in a move that has now fully maximized minimum target areas. And since we have fully maximized minimum target areas, there are high chances that we are now ready for a massive pump in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And in case GRT is able to give us a complete 5-wave move to the upside, followed by an ABC corrective structure, that will be enough confirmation that the low for that second wave is in, and the start of an impulse in that higher Elliott wave count 3 has now started. So that is what I'm expecting here on the GRT chart. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 61 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting further breakdown. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.